Paying your T-Mobile bill online is quick and easy. Here's what you need: an active T-Mobile account, either postpaid or prepaid, internet access, and a valid payment method like a credit card, debit card, or bank account. First, log into your T-Mobile account on the T-Mobile website or mobile app using your phone number, account PIN, or biometric login like a fingerprint. Then, navigate to the Billing or Payments section. Here, you'll see your current balance and due date. Select your preferred payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or bank account. Enter the payment amount, review it, and confirm. You'll receive an instant confirmation via email or SMS. That's it, your payment is processed immediately, avoiding late fees. T-Mobile offers advanced payment features starting with AutoPay, which automatically deducts from your chosen method monthly. The system uses AI to optimize timing based on spending patterns, preventing late fees while maintaining flexibility. The platform supports digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, plus select cryptocurrencies through Visa integrations. Security is paramount with PCI DSS compliant encryption, safeguarding your data. Always connect via secure Wi-Fi and enable two-factor authentication. For accessibility, voice-guided navigation assists visually impaired users, and you can manage payments across multiple lines or family plans in one portal. Remember, T-Mobile charges no fees for online payments,